Hi everyone, I have to show you two different Christmas trees today. It's very simple. If you can make chains, you can do it, and stay with me until the end of this video. I'm so excited to show you my Christmas decoration. Without wasting time, let's begin. I'm start with this star, and for this star I need magic loop first. I'm going to do magic loop, and I need to do 7 single crochets. 1 2 7, and I'm going to the first one, and I make a slip stitch. Okay, now I need 5. I need to make these stars pointies, and I need 5 chain. 3 4 5, and I'm come back to the third chain and make a slip stitch. Not this one, 2, third one, and I'm come to the third chain. I am make a slip stitch, and next I am going to do single crochet in the next one, and next one I am going to make a double crochet like this. Okay, I am going to make a slip stitch to next chain. Okay, and again I am going to make 5 chain, 2 3 4 5, and go to the third chain, make a slip stitch. 1 2 3, third chain, I am going to make a slip stitch, and then next one I am going to make a single crochet. Next chain I'm going to make a single crochet, and then last chain I am going to make a double crochet like this, and again I am going to the next chain here, and I make a slip stitch, and carry on like these 5 pointies. Now I have 5 pointies. I did my slip stitch here, and I do another single crochet, and I cut it down my yarn, and I'm going to start my tree. For tree I have 2 chain here left, and I'm starting with my 2 chain. I have a magic slip knot, and I am starting with 4 chain. 1 2 3 4. You can see I am starting with one other. I have 7 stitches, and I have 5 pointies, and I have 2 left, and I am starting with 1, and I need to do a triple crochet. For I am going to make a cluster. I have 2, and I again triple cluster. I make a cluster. Okay, and I need 3 chain. 1 2 3. Again I am going to make a cluster in here. Next chain. Okay, I make a cluster, and now I am going to make 3 chain and turn my work, and I am going to make another cluster here with triple crochet. Okay, and I am going to make another cluster. And again 3 chain, and next time I'm going to make another cluster in this 3 chain gap with triple crochet always. Oops. And again 3 chain, 1 2 3, make a cluster in here. You can see it here. And one, two, three chain. Now I am in this part. I have to make again 4 clusters like this before, and one cluster here, one cluster here, one cluster here, and one cluster here. 1 2 3 4 chain. Now I'm going to make, I have 4 clusters now. I'm going to do 4 chain, 3 4 and here, and I'm going to make 2 clusters. First cluster I'm going to do in end of this my first cluster, and I'm going to make a cluster in here, and 3 chain, 1 2 3. I'm going to do another cluster in this 3 chain gap. Triple crochet always I am using for this my Christmas tree. And I have my clusters, 2 clusters, and again 2 chain, 2 triple crochets in this 3 chain gap, in middle gap. 1 2 2 triple crochets in this gap. Okay, like this. And next I go on 2 chain, and I'm going to make one cluster in this gap. Sorry, this split. And 3 chain again, 1 2 3, and I'm going to make another cluster an edge of my this cluster. Okay, and I need 4 chain, 1 2 3 4, and you can see now 2 clusters and 2 triple crochets and 2 clusters again. Turn my work. I have 4 chain here. I am going to make one cluster here again, and 3 chain, 1 2 3 as before, and I make one cluster here. And 2 chain again, and this time I am going to make 3 triple crochets in this gap. I'm making one here, one in between them, another one here, again 2 chain, and make a cluster in this 3 chain gap here. And again 3 chain, 1 2 3. I am making another cluster in end of this first cluster, and again 4 chain, and it's look like this. You can carry on again. You need to maintain 2 clusters always, both sides, and in middle you can do 2 next one is 5 treble crochets, and another one 7 treble crochets. You can carry on if you want more. I think it's enough for me. And 2 clusters here, and in between this space is 2 chain, in between the 2 clusters at 3 chain. Next one I did 2 cluster, 2 chain, and 5 treble crochets. I am starting here 1, and 2, 3, 4, and my 5th one, and 2 chain again, and another cluster here and here. Now I finish my tree, and I cut down my, and you can see it, and in the middle I have 7 treble crochets, 5 treble crochets, 3 2 1, like this. Now I'm going to do tree trunk. For tree trunk I want a brown color, and I'm going to do 5 treble crochets in middle, and I am starting here. I have 7 double crochets in treble crochets in there. I am starting in here, and I am going to make slip stitch, and now I am going to make 5 treble crochets in each. 1 2 3 4 5. I did in between these 7 double crochets, and then I'm going to do double crochets in the last part. 3 chain, I'm turn my work, and I'm going to do 5 double crochets, not triple crochets at this time. I have 1 here and 2, I am finished now. I'm done. It's very easy, isn't it? You can do it for yourself. See, it's not very time consuming, it's very easy. And now you need to do hide these things, and I show my decoration next. I am now going to show you my excited Christmas decoration, and you can put it in your Christmas jumper or Christmas cards or anything. In the future I show my Christmas decorations, cards and other things. And see you again with another beautiful stitch pattern. If you have to comment, please comment in the comment section. Bye bye, see you again.